Hi, in this video I will show you how to block websites on the Fritz box 4040 router. When you are in the Fritz box settings in the web browser, you can access that by typing fritz.box in the address field of the web browser and entering password. You should see the screen like that, and now go to the internet, go to the filters, choose the device on which you want to block websites, click on the pencil, and tap there, filter websites, and you can choose either permit websites or block websites, and tap show list to add websites you want to block. To confirm all the operations, click OK. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.